Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options guy and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, the markets are holding themselves, right? Markets taking support after opening itself and then trying to move up, right? Although Nifty not really moving up, Nifty just consolidating in one place, whereas Bank Nifty was moving up. So what can we expect over here, right? Is market gonna continue this down move over here? Is market gonna give up gains, or is this just a pause and from here we could see another up move till 44,000, the all-time high, right? So what can we expect? First of all, looking at the daily chart, if we see, right, markets had really moved a lot, right? If you see, there was a continuous up move from 39,500 levels to almost 43,500. So like almost 4,000 points, right? So that's a very big up move in Bank Nifty, right? So definitely markets need to take some sort of a big pullback, right? There wasn't really any sort of a big pullback, right? Like there was a pause over here, but not really a pullback, right? In Bank Nifty, and same with Nifty, right? Nifty also has moved up a lot. Almost 1,200 points over here. So what can we expect over here, right? Because if you see, right, markets haven't really given a pullback, so there are chances that if markets break down from here, we could see again a good kind of a good sell-off in the markets, maybe till 42,400, 42,500, 42,800 levels, right? And Nifty also, we could see a little bit of pullback and then we could see an up move from here, right? So talking about in the 15-minute chart, what can we do tomorrow? Tomorrow could be a very trending expiry because of two reasons, right? We see markets have been consolidating since 2 days over here. Both Bank Nifty and Nifty haven't really shown a lot of momentum, right? So over here, we have a very good chance that Bank Nifty and Nifty tomorrow could be very consolidating. But although the thing is that tomorrow we could open with a very big gap up or a gap down because today there is a US Fed event at the night, and because of which we may or may not open with a very big gap up or a gap down, right? So what can we do over here is very simple, right? Tomorrow, if we say somehow open flat, right, between 42,350 to 42,200 or 150, all these levels, wait for where the market is trying to go, right? Once the market goes above 42,350, you guys can go ahead and take a small trade over here till 43,450, right? 450 to 440. You can get easily these 90 points. If the market sustains below this level, right? If the market is holding itself below 43,480 for some time, and if in the second half we get a very good breakout above these levels, then we can see a very, very trending expiry in the second half, right? So once we at the opening, if we open say flat and cross these levels, you guys can get easily 90 points, right? Although do not keep your stop loss very big. If you are getting a small stop loss, only then take a trade over here, right? And then aim for 43,480. That should be your 43,440 to 450. That should be your first target. If the market sustain at this level, right, and if they do not instantly reverse from here, then you guys can go ahead and kind of hold your position or move your positions up, because in the second half if it breaks out from here, we can easily see 43,600, 43,700 levels, because then this will just be a pullback and the markets will continue their up move till most probably 44,000 levels on the upside, right? On the downside, however, things will be very good if we break down from 43,100 and 43,110 levels, right? Because if we break down from here, we can see a very good sell off easily till 43,000. Very easily, we can see a sell off till 43,000 and then a subsequent sell off till 42,800, because 42,800 is a very important level over here. If market should somehow take a support till 42,800 and then start moving up from there, right? So your first target will be 43,000 on the downside. But if the markets, again, as I said, right, if there is not bullish price action being made over here, you guys can hold your positions and then aim for 42,800 easily on the downside, because then this will just be, then the markets will kind of become a little weak and bearish, and then we could see some sort of a pause on the daily charts and some sort of a pullback also on the daily charts, right? Talking about Nifty, if you see, Nifty also is in a very good range over here. And tomorrow, if we go below 18,000 and I'm really sorry, 18,050, you guys can go ahead and start taking a bearish trade till 18,000 easily on the downside, right? Then we need to see how 18,000 and 43,000 in Bank Nifty react. If they are taking very good support and making bullish price action, then we will just square off our position and get out with all the gains. But if they are not sustaining these levels, then we could see further sell-off in the market, right? Both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. On the upside in Nifty, however, things are a little bit interesting, because if you see, there are a good amount of, a good amount of resistances on the upside. There is not a clear range. So we will not, I would prefer much rather to not take any trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty, because this is the area where things could get a little volatile. So it's better to just not take a trade. However, if you open with any sort of a big gap up somewhere near 18,170 or 18,200, wait for a swing high to be made, right? Maybe something like a high like this to be made over here. Once that high is again being broken, then you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade. On the downside, if you open somewhere near 18,000, right? Wait for a 15-minute candle, first 15-minute candle to break, or like to be made. And once that candle breaks, then you guys can go ahead and take a trade. And then we can aim for easily for 17,900, because first of all, you are opening at 18,000, right? A lot of people will be scared to, kind of take their bullish positions further. So they won't want to square off. So after a first 15-minute breakdown, we can easily aim for 17,900 on the downside. Talking about Bank Nifty, I didn't talk about what would happen if we open with a very big gap over gap down, right? So in Bank Nifty, if we open with a very big gap up somewhere near 43,500 or 560, 600, again, wait for a swing high to be made. Once that swing high is again being broken in the day, then you guys can go ahead and take a bullish position. On the downside also, say if you open somewhere near all these levels, wait for seeing how Bank Nifty reacts near 43,000 levels, right? Because this is the place where a lot of people would either want to enter or exit their positions, right? Depending on how things are. So wait for some sort of a reaction near 43,000. Once say some sort of a swing is made near 43,980 or 960, right? And then it is being broken, then you guys can go ahead and take a trade. You can easily import 42,800 on the downside. So I guess that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.